Hello, and welcome to your 5-minute morning intention setting. Feel good about dedicating these 5 minutes to consciously choosing how you want your day to unfold. Settle into a comfortable, upright, seated position. Allow your body to feel alert, yet at ease. Give yourself permission to release the lingering thoughts of sleep and the distractions of the day ahead. Now let's anchor ourselves in the body by taking 3 deep, cleansing breaths to wake up the system. Breathing in deeply through the nose. Open your mouth and sigh the breath out. Again, inhale fully and exhale, letting go of any residual sleepiness. Breathe in deeply. Open your mouth and gently exhale, finding alertness. Feel the weight of your body, noticing the pressure points where you meet the surface beneath you. Take a moment to feel your whole body as you sit, grounded and supported. Gently soften your face. Relax your jaw. And let your shoulders drop. This connection is your home base for the entire day. Bring your attention fully to the breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall, the rhythm that connects you to this moment. Feel the coolness of the inhale moving in, bringing fresh clarity, and the warmth of the exhale moving out, gently releasing any residual dullness. Follow a few more breath cycles. Now let's transition to setting a kind and powerful intention. An intention is a commitment to how you want to live this day. Choose a single word or phrase that resonates with you. Perhaps presence, kindness, or clarity, or maybe focus or patience. Repeat the word or phrase silently to yourself, allowing the feeling of it to sink into your body. This intention is your personal compass. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your chosen word and the feeling of your breath. Gently come back to the solid feeling of your body and the rhythm of your breath. Now take a deep, intentional breath in, recalling your word, your intention, And as you exhale, seal that commitment into your day. Carry the sense of presence and purpose with you. Remember, the breath and your chosen word are your reset button if you ever lose your way. If you're looking for a longer guided meditation or my full-length mindful movement practices, you can find them all here. Simply subscribe to the Maro Yoga channel to keep your practice going and to ensure that you see all my new content. Wishing you a wonderfully mindful day. Until next time.